Okay, what do I do? I'm gonna change my color, just green. Okay. All right, move your decimal. So I'm gonna do letter A. A is, so 2500, and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So number one, if you want to make that one into a scientific notation, first of all, you are going to put your decimal place in between numbers so that you can make number in between 1 and 10. So your number is in between bigger than 0 and less than 10. That is your number. All right, so 20, so I'm going to put my decimal place in between 2 and 5. So it's going to be 2.5. Now, I need to go back to the color change. Let's go back to color change. All right, red. So if I'm over here, if I put my decimal places here, then I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to move my decimal places 5 times so that is equal quantity. That means I need to multiply by 10 to the 5th power. So my answer is 2.5 times 10 to the 5th power. All right. Divide your answer A, write your answer of, so I already did this one, right? In between 1 and 10, that's going to be 2.5, 2.5. And how many times I need to go to the right? 5 times. Power of 10, so 10 to the 5th power. So that means 2.5 and 10 to the 5th power. And if I want to do exactly the same thing, then let's do it again. So I'm going to change my color. Place your decimal place in between. So what's the number here? 41 to 100. First of all, I'm going to place my decimal place in between 4 and 1. It's going to be 4.12. You do not need to write the 0. And if my decimal place is right here, how many times I need to move right? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 10 to the 4th power. So I'm going to write 4.12 10 to the 4th power. All right, how many places do you need to, places to the left did you move the decimal point to right? I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 left, therefore 4 right. What is exponent on 10 when you write 41,200 in scientific notation? Exponent was 4. So if I go to, okay, so there's some kind of correlation right here. Moving on to, but then let me write this one in the from very beginning. So if I have any number like 3156000, doesn't matter. So first, number one, I'm going to put my decimal place the first two numbers. So in this case is 31. 31 is bigger than 10. So I'm going to put right in between 3 and 1. So it's going to be 3.1 and 5, 6. You do not need to copy the zeros. And imagine your decimal place is right here. Now I'm going to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, times 10 to the 7th power. So I'm going to show you that is true or not. And when I use a calculator, where is my calculator? Here we go. And I'm going to clear, oh no, I'm going to clear that. Right, so if I have a 3.156 times 10 to the 7th power, then it'll give you 3, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So they are equal to each other. So if I have another number, if I have like a 62500, first of all, I'm going to put my decimal place in between first two numbers. So it's going to be 6.25 times, and place your decimal place in between 6 and 2, and then let's go to right. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I'm going to go 10 to the 4th power. Let's see that is right or not. if I have, okay, if I have 6.25 times 10 to the fourth power, is this going to give me 60,500? Yes, 62,500. All right, that'll do.